Hello, Seasonal Vantage Insiders. This is Alex from MarketWise Asia. So just want to do a very quick end of the week video for you guys. So today's date, it is 26th of January 2024, a Friday, late afternoon at about 3 p.m. So for the past 1 or 2 weeks, I was busy with the Market Insights Virtual Summit. Okay, so I intended to do a midweek video, but I was doing some post event stuff, so do not have the time to do the video. So there I am here, trying to do a quick video to update you guys, okay, what has happened, okay, since the video I did on Monday, the weekly video. Okay, so before I head into that, just want to let you know that the Summit replay, the Market Insights Virtual Summit replay, is going to end soon until the end of this Sunday, 28th of January. Okay, this coming Sunday. So do go ahead and watch all these replay, total 10. There will be some nuggets, of kind of insights, wisdom, knowledge that every speaker will bring. Okay, so do watch this the videos, and I will post the direct replay link in the post. Okay, so in this post, you will see in the video post, you will see the text. The link will be there, so you do not have to register in case you did not register. So you can just head over to the direct replay link and watch it. Okay, and also that, all right, if you haven't opened a plus 500 account, I seriously encourage you to do that, because first of all, it is free and they do have certain features, okay, which I think is pretty cool. As I mentioned, I think on Monday they do have the SMS alert, which is free. Okay, not many broker or CFD provider, they give you this alert on SMS. So they give you SMS, they can give you push alert, and they also give you the email alert as well. And of course, as I mentioned, it is free, right? So if you are a Singaporean, opening an account using SingPass takes less than 10 minutes or even 5 minutes. Okay, you are done. You need just to verify your email and mobile, and that's it. And if you decided to take things further to fund at least 500 Sing dollars, right, you get to receive the Chicago boost cap. So I actually received the Chicago boost cap already. It's very fast, okay? So in fact, I funded on Saturday. So they actually delivered, I think, yesterday. So a few days only, okay? And I get this. And of course, if you want to receive the 250 trading bonus, you have to fulfill certain trading volume. And actually, it's not that difficult as well. So, but it's entirely up to you. But I encourage you to open the account, okay, and test out this platform. Just try it out. I mean, it's free anyway. Opening is as easy as opening an account. You just need email, and you are good to open an account. Really, just test it out, okay? All right. So once again, the link, right? This link I will post it in this video post as well. So you should see all these relevant link in the post. Okay. And let's head over to the market right now. So let's head over to some of the trades that I've done. So I think previously I mentioned about Reliance Steel over there. So in fact, so I get stop out SL on Reliance Steel. So I was out. So price, didn't really move quickly in the direction. Okay, so in fact, it just kind of grinding go up higher. So my stop was just below the swing low. So I get stop out already. So I'm already out on SL. So this is one trade that it didn't work out. Another trade that also didn't work out is actually this SEM. Okay, SEM. So, kind of ping pong, eventually I also get stop out as well when it go higher on this day. Yes, so in hindsight, I should not have shorted this, okay? In fact, I should have gone and short TAP, TAP, will be better, okay? But because, price do a kind of a impulse rally, and then it seems right now it is getting like more bullish. This is like a bull flag pattern right now. So previously I mentioned about also TAP, so I think some of you actually shorted it, okay? Yes, so in fact, for the past 1 week or so, price actually came down a lot further. Of course, yesterday rebounded lah. But by then, okay, if it is here, you should have about 1.5 R profit already. Okay, or as I mentioned during on Monday's video, you should at least trail your profit. Okay, when you have a profit of 1 R, or at least take half the profit and then trail. So it's entirely up to you. So these are the two positions that I cut loss, stop out, but that is fine because I find that this market, it is actually this year, it is not exactly the easiest to trade. But so far, the rest of the position has been working pretty well. So I'll go into the profitable position right now. In fact, let me take a look at my position right now. Okay, all the current position that I have, in fact, some of the position that I mentioned this week are all in the green, right now. Okay, so in fact, I'm going to share with you that previously I mentioned here, it is the is it over there? Where did I post it? It's not this one. Yeah, okay, this is the one. So I mentioned that I'm still holding shorts on Eagle, HST, RS, and ICM. I got stop out. So I'm still holding on to Eagle and HST. So these two are still in profitable position. So still in profit, not a lot, but haven't get stop out, but in profit. Okay, EGLE still in profit. EGLE, Eagle, shipping. Okay, all right, it kind of a ping pong. Okay, but still profitable. And then it is HST. This one has slightly more profit. Didn't go down as fast as I expected, but yeah, still in profit. Okay, still in profit right now. So these two I'm still holding. The one that I mentioned actually for this week, Monday, there are a few that I mentioned, but personally I'm into DBC. DBC, it is this Invesco commodity index ETF. So essentially, this is a commodity, generic commodity, all the commodity like ETF over there. So when I first mentioned, right, so this DBC, it is actually here, okay? This is on Friday here, then on Monday, it went up higher. So as I mentioned on Friday, right, there was a wash and rinse pattern over there, okay? Price hit higher, okay, on Thursday, but it came down on Friday. So I mentioned that, let's see whether price can hit back higher and close above the wash line on Monday. So on this Monday, price went higher above the wash line. This is where I actually go for a long. So I'm still holding on to this DBC, but in very pretty decent profit right now. Okay, not yet 1.5R, but almost there. Okay, this is DBC. Okay, another one that I'm holding on is also this EWI. So I mentioned EWI. This is the Italy ETF. So I actually shorted on this Italy ETF as well. So when I first mentioned, the wash line is over there, this here. Okay, so I shorted that on this bar over there, the red bar over there. So kind of ping pong. Okay, but right now still in profit right now for EWI. Okay, I also mentioned about this Gentex GNTX. Okay, GNTX. Okay, over there. All right, so I actually overlooked the fact that I think there is an earnings on Friday. In fact, it's tonight as I'm doing this video, tonight before the market open on a Friday. So I actually mentioned during this post over there, okay, the latest post over there, there's update lah. Okay, so that there's earnings before the market open. So I wouldn't want to hold through earning if I really want to enter. So latest exit on Thursday, but I don't have a position right now. So for this, I also do not have a position on Gentex, but I think maybe some of you might have, but I don't know how the market react, tonight. But by right, yesterday, Thursday, you should have exited, and there is profit to be made also from Gentex over there. So when I first mentioned the wash line is 32.41, on this day you have a short over there, and then price go down, and exactly you can see that price hit the lower range of the central pivot range, and then rebounded back up again. But all in all, there are also some profit to be made. Again, I don't know how the market will react tonight before, as in when the market open. Okay, it get up or get down, I don't know. But if you're holding a short and it gap down, then good for you. You make a lot more profit. But it gap up, okay, I don't know how high you will get. Okay, so manage the risk. I don't know how you have open tonight. Okay. Another one that I mentioned, the only long that I mentioned is actually JP Morgan, JPM. It is also doing pretty well. Can you see that, even though the indices have been ranking higher, there are still profits to be made from some of the shorts, okay, and also some of the longs also. So the only thing that I was looking at was actually JP Morgan. Okay, can you see that when I first mentioned, okay, it was here on a Friday. So I say, hey, you know, market looks, the financial sector is pretty strong, okay, and you can go for a long if you want to try JP Morgan. So in fact, so after that, you know, let's say for example, if you enter on a Monday over here, maybe it could be a limit order and you get filled, okay, you also have some profit when yesterday it was up about 1.43%. So there's still profit. But again, you know, remember to trail profit, okay, and such, okay. And personally, okay, my view has not changed. Even though the indices has been going higher, okay, indices like S&P 500 has been going higher, okay, or the Nasdaq has been going higher, but I'm still quite uncomfortable, you know, if you're looking to like buy the indices, okay, like SPY, QQQ, I won't be buying the indices. First of all, it is overextended. Secondly, the market internals is not showing, how to say, is there's a divergence. There's a divergence. So for example, okay, I mentioned before, I don't want to repeat too much, okay, so it is the same, so that the VVIX ratio, okay, while the indices is going higher, the VVIX ratio, it is coming down. So this is one of them, you know, like the percentage of stocks above the 50 days, 200 days moving average, is quite at the top. So there's a chance that it can roll down, especially the 200 days moving average, okay, or it's near at the peak, all right. So another one, it is actually this, okay, I say that the advanced decline line over here, this one, okay, while the indices, it is again heading higher, but the advanced decline line, it is showing divergence as well. Where's the advanced decline line? Suddenly cannot find. Okay, over here. Okay, can you see that this is the advanced decline? The indices has been going higher. Okay, but the advanced decline line, you know, making a lower low. Can you see that now? Not so obvious over here, but there's still making a lower low over there. Okay, this is also still making a lower low. The volume advanced decline line is still making a lower low. So all in all, yeah, still not comfortable to go long on the indices as for now. Okay, this is just my personal view. Of course, I could be wrong. Okay, I could be so totally wrong that the market S&P, you know, continue maybe to go higher like that lah. Okay, but I feel that the upside is limited now, so your reward to risk is not so good. Oh yeah, talking about these DBC, right? Just wanted to let you know. I think I mentioned on Monday before, the component stocks or the component product in this Invesco DBC, right? Okay, DBC is actually the energy commodities. So this is the DBC Invesco. So Invesco is the issuer. So I mentioned on Monday, can refer back to the video on Monday. So can you see that the portfolio holdings are right? It's actually, you know, gasoline, you know, heating oil, crude oil, Brent crude, and WTI crude. The rest is like gold, wheat, soybean, and such like. But can you see that majority, okay, 13, about 26%, 26, yeah, a lot already, about 50%. Okay, can you see that it is on 50%, more than 50, about 50% is on this the energy one, gasoline, heating oil, crude oil, WTI crude oil as well. Okay, so and just want to share with you that the seasonal data for WTIC crude oil. Okay, can you see that it is actually in February. So this is crude oil right now. You can see that crude oil is starting to go higher. That is why the DBC started to go higher as well. You can see that this is we are nearing towards the end of January and heading into Feb. Okay, this is where the seasonals for the energy crude oil is heading high. At least for crude oil, okay. At least for crude oil, it is heading higher. So I think there's a potential chance that for the DBC to continue to go higher. So for the crude oil, let's go to the TradingView direct chart for crude oil over there. Okay, so you can see that it is heading higher, but of course it is heading higher already. So please don't chase. Please don't chase. If you buy crude oil right now or what it is, your risk to reward is not very good. Okay, and also for DBC, okay, don't chase also. Okay, your best time to buy, it is not there anymore already. Okay, price has been going up for 3 consecutive days already. There's a good chance price could do a consolidation or have some pullback also. So the best time to buy, which is actually on a Monday, when price reverse back up against the wash line over there. Okay, so all in all, personally, I'm still not so favorable on going long on the indices, just the indices, but individual stocks or ETF, I could go for a long or go for a short. Okay, all right. So with that, thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you have a good weekend ahead, and I'll see you again on the Monday video. Thank you. Bye bye.